Hey guys, it's Trippy. Welcome to the video. I try and keep this intro as short as possible, but there is a couple of things to talk about. So in my last video, you might have heard me saying I've got a cold and I'm feeling sorry for myself. It's actually turned out to be COVID, so I'm isolating from work at the minute. Feeling pretty rough, but it's like up and down. It's more when I cough, it's like really kind of like chesty. It feels like my lungs are going to collapse, but I'm surrounded by pills and tablets to try and like bring me out of it kind of thing. But thankfully I've got enough footage, including this video, to make 2 videos, so I've got something to sort of keep the channel going until I'm allowed to sort of go out again. But the place we're at today is called Helston, and we're working our way towards a place called Loe Bar Beach. The other thing I wanted to talk about is my footpad for the OneWheel. There's a company called Craft and Ride in America, which is similar to the Float Life, who just sort of supply like parts to the OneWheel. It's similar to the Cush footpad, I believe, which is kind of like a softer but more grippy footpad and just makes you feel more comfortable and stable on the board. And this is my kind of like first ride on it, so I'm absolutely like loving it. It's made me feel much more like stable on the board. And the ride itself, as I said, it starts in Helston, and there's like paths and roads and lanes through the woods. You can like obviously like walk it, cycle it. We saw people on horses, or of course the OneWheel. But when you get to the end, there's just like an amazing view of the beach that just, yeah, it's huge. So like well worth the trip, however you do it. And yeah, I think that's pretty much all of it. So I can't really leave the house at the minute, but I have got another video to make after this one. So fingers crossed. It's Friday as I record this. By next Friday, I should be well enough to sort of allowed to be leaving the house kind of thing. I'm due to go back at work on Wednesday if I test negative. So yeah, fingers crossed. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I'll catch you next time. It's like another camel trail, but easier. Good place to stop. My front foot is now getting tired. What's that?
That'll do, won't it? That'd be nice for the video.
So what's this? Is this just like
this is
Helston Lake or something, is it?
You know, the lake that when you almost died on that walk, and that beach with the lake.
Oh yeah.
This is the other side of that lake.
So I'm trying to remember to film that as well as us. I probably got about 80% of the footage of just my legs. If they go around. Oh bloody hell!
I went up the sun.
Does it loop all the way around then? Does it, like a circle?
Yeah, this bit does.
No, I mean if we go left, will it take us back to the car park eventually?
Oh, no, we have to
Oh.
go back.
Oh, that looks so good down there. It's like California. California, yeah. Oh, did a bit of ghosting then, did you see that? No, I didn't really. So what beach is that?
Loe Bar.
This might be my favourite ride we've done. I like it. I think this is the first time we've had it where, like, other than like the dream of it we know, where there's like an end game.
Yeah, there's like point to go.
Hopefully you guys agree that the view is well worth the journey. For the way back I gave Connor my camera for a bit just because he's way better on the board and like makes the shots look way more sort of action packed. But we also missed a chin up bar which we both had a go on. I don't want you guys to be jealous, but I show an extreme feat of strength. I'm not trying to brag or anything, but when you guys see it you'll think, bloody hell, this guy's strong. So just keep an eye out for that one in a couple minutes time. And yeah, I think that's all for me for this one. So again, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.
Oh, look, pull that bar. Pull that bar.
What?
Pull that bar.
Oh, I reckon I could do...
What's
You gonna try
that?
one, are you?
Yeah, what's that doing in the middle?
I reckon you can do 3.
Oh my God.
I'll give it a go.
God, that's been like 5 weeks and it
Keep-
still really hurts.
I've got my wrist guard on, so it's probably not going to go too well.
You get a shot of me trying to do one on mine.
Front or back angle?
I'll have it from the front. I'm gonna get that in the shot. People, we don't want to see you doing pull-ups.
Yeah. Call yourself a one-wheeler. Going, is it?
She's going.
Get those legs up. It looks like you're going to sort of like catapult yourself off the edge, like.
Oh, that does hurt.
That, annoyingly, I didn't realise how unfit I was until I tried.